Hey there, future investor. Are you looking to grow your money but don't know where to start? Whether you have $100 or $1,000, these top 5 investments will help you build wealth. Let's dive in. First on our list is index funds. These are the easiest way to invest in the stock market without picking individual stocks. A single index fund lets you own a piece of hundreds of top companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Google. Historically, index funds have averaged around 8 to 10% annual returns. Perfect for beginners. You can start investing in index funds with just $100 using apps like Vanguard or Fidelity. Next up, we have high-yield savings accounts. Unlike regular savings accounts, these accounts offer up to 5% interest on your money. It's a low-risk way to let your cash grow while keeping it safe. Some great options are Ally Bank, SoFi, and Marcus by Goldman Sachs. Perfect for keeping your emergency fund or short-term savings. Third on our list is ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These are similar to index funds but trade like stocks. They give you instant diversification and can focus on different sectors like technology, healthcare, or green energy. Some beginner-friendly ETFs include QQQ, Tech, VOO, S&P 500, and ARKK, Innovation. You can start investing in ETFs with as little as $100 through apps like Webull or Robinhood. Want to invest in real estate without buying property? REITs, real estate investment trusts, are the answer. They let you invest in commercial properties, apartment buildings, and malls without owning them. REITs pay high dividends, making them great for passive income. Some popular ones are VNQ, Vanguard Real Estate ETF, and Realty Income. With just $100, you can start building wealth in real estate. Finally, let's talk about cryptocurrency. While risky, crypto has the potential for massive gains. If you're a beginner, stick to major coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Instead of buying whole coins, you can start with $10 or $100 on platforms like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Remember, never invest more than you're willing to lose. So, here's a quick recap. Index funds, high-yield savings accounts, ETFs, REITs, and cryptocurrency. 5 beginner-friendly ways to start investing right now. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more finance tips. See you in the next video.